Google is the largest search engine on the planet with over 3.5 billion searches per day. These people are searching for products and services to buy, as well as to learn something new and be entertained. If you're currently not targeting your audience through Google Ads, then you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, my name's Stewart. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is Google Ads? And share with you how your small business can rank #1 on search results with Google Ads in 2020. Now, just quickly, before we get into today's video, feel free to subscribe if you're new here, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to help your small business thrive online. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, so in order to understand what Google Ads are, we first need to understand SERP, SERP, Search Engine Result Pages. Essentially, this is the page on Google when you are searching for a particular keyword. These keywords are search queries. For example, if I type in a keyword like dentist near me, cheap dentist, or affordable dentist in Tauranga, these are all keywords or search queries that I could type in to find a dentist in my area and book in for an appointment. So if I now type in dentist Tauranga, which is a keyword because I want to find a dentist in my local area, Google will produce a page of results. Now, it's important to note that Google's intention is to satisfy the user's intent, meaning Google wants to show the most relevant results based on my search query. As you can see, the first results are Google Ads. Then, followed by these ads, we have organic results in the form of organic map listings and organic website results. This is essentially what you will see when you search for something on Google. However, some of the elements can be different depending on your search query. So now that we understand keywords and SERP, SERP, Search Engine Result Pages, what is Google Ads? Well, if we navigate back to the top of the page, we can see a few ads up here. There are many types of Google Ads. However, we are going to discuss text ads, text-based ads, which are popular and effective for small businesses. Google Ads is an advertising platform by Google where advertisers bid on certain keywords in order for these ads to appear in search results, in Google's search results, as you can see here. Now, how does Google determine where your Google Ads are shown? Well, there are two factors you need to consider: your max bid and your quality score. Basically, the combination of how much you're willing to pay for a potential customer to click on your Google ad and the quality of your ad itself, which includes the ad relevancy to the search query, the CTR, click-through rate, or likelihood that someone will click on your ad, and factors to do with your website landing page. This is the website page that you're sending people to from your Google Ads. Other elements that Google considers when it comes to your landing page is your website fast, responsive, and user-friendly, and does it have relevant keywords on the landing page itself? These factors determine your position on Google search. So how can small businesses rank #1 with Google Ads in 2020? Well, if we look at the dentist example, you can see that they have multiple ad extensions, which is basically more information added to the ad to make it more appealing and to bulk it up. These extensions include location, phone number, site link extensions, and call-out extensions. There are many other extensions that can also bulk up your ad and make it more appealing, and help with your quality score and your overall ad ranking. To dominate the first page of Google with Google Ads, you also want to link your Google My Business account with your Google Ads account. I'll put a link up above which will show you how you can do this, how you can connect the two together. Basically, this will show your Google ad in two places on the first page of Google. At the top with the other text ads, and below in the snack pack or Google Map listings. This creates more exposure, and the more exposure you have on the first page of Google, the higher rate customers will click on your ad and convert as customers. You also want to make sure that you target keywords that are relevant. For example, instead of targeting a generic keyword like dentist, you want to target more long-tailed keyword variations like dentist near me or cheap dentist. This will help you rank for higher converting keywords that real people are searching for with the intention of finding and buying your products or services. Now, a great tool you can use to further discover keywords to target is in your Google Ads account, and this is called the Keyword Planner. Here you can find keywords related to your business that you want to target, as well as see the cost per click, so how much it costs the advertiser if someone clicks on that ad based on that keyword search. And here it also shows you the volume of searches per month. This is a great free resource. Another element I want to discuss to help your ads rank #1 on Google search is to add the keyword you are targeting in your ad title and description. This will help push your ads higher in search results and make your ads more relevant. And the last important piece to the puzzle is making sure your website landing pages that you're sending people to when they click on your ads is optimized, meaning your website loads fast, has a strong call to action, which could be your phone number or a booking form on that landing page. Also ensure that the landing page is relevant to your ads and you have these targeted keywords on your landing page throughout your content. All these factors will help your Google Ads rank #1 on Google search. I will also link a complete Google Ads tutorial for beginners above for you to follow to set up and create your first text ad campaign for your small business. So feel free to check that out if you're ready to get started with Google Ads. And that is it for today's video. You should now have a better understanding of Google Ads and how this form of marketing can benefit your small business in 2020. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value, if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.